So hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to explain you some of the reasons that why benzene this is benzene is stable. So many students and even teachers also sometimes get confused in telling the answer that why benzene is so stable. So I am gonna tell you 5 reasons that why is benzene compound called stable compound or most stable compound. So let us start the video. So this video will be totally in English. If someone demands in the description to see its Hindi version also, so I will also make this video in Hindi version also. So let us start. First of all, we should at least know that what is benzene. So let us make a benzene structure, a benzene compound, double bond, and double bond. So if you count number of carbons, if I start from here, so if I count number of carbons, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and if we count number of hydrogens, so I am visualizing the number of hydrogens. So if I see this number 1, I see one bond is this, one bond is this, and one bond is this. So carbon's valency is 4. It means there are 3 bonds satisfied. So it means one hydrogen, same, one hydrogen, same, one hydrogen, same, one hydrogen, same, one hydrogen, and one hydrogen. Due to less space, I am not making hydrogen as similar to the real structure, but you can visualize. Okay, so the compound is C6H6. Okay, so let us see the first reason that why is benzene compound stable. So the first reason is resonance. So in class 11th you might had studied about the topic resonance. So resonance basically means attaining stability by having more number of its resonance structure or resonance hybrid or resonance hybrid is also called Kekulé structure. So if I explain you why with the help of resonance benzene is stable, so if I make a benzene for you just to explain, okay, so if I make benzene, then if I make its resonance structure, then what will it look like? So it will look like this. So that's why the benzene compound is stable due to resonance. So let us move towards the second point. So the second point is Huckel's rule. So what is Huckel's rule? Huckel's rule states that the number of pi bonds means double bonds, are 4n plus 2 into pi. So if we see the benzene, it satisfies this condition, so that's why it is also stable due to Huckel's rule. Okay, now let us move towards the third point, that is chiral center. So the third point is chiral center. So what is chiral center? If I explain you the chiral center in the benzene ring, so if I make a benzene ring for you, okay, So in this, uh, let's mark a stable terminal point. That means let's mark a point where we will start, like we have a fixed point. So if we take this point as a stable point, okay. So if we go left and right towards this point, if there is any difference in the carbon or number of bonds, then that center is called chiral center. So if I move here, I see one single bond, okay. And if I move here, I see double bond. So this center is chiral center. So it means there are 6 chiral center. How many? There are 6 chiral center. So that's why it is stable. So now let us move towards the fourth point, that is pi bonds or double bonds. So the fourth reason that why benzene is so stable is that the number of double bonds are more as compared to the other compounds. So if we make a benzene ring, what is benzene? C6H6. So if we count the number of carbons, then there are 1, 2 and 3. So 3 double bonds. That's why benzene is stable, okay. Now let us move towards the last and not the least point, that is its stability and ring structure. So if we see the benzene structure, you might have heard about that the condensed structures are less stable or not stable than the ring structures. So if you know the benzene ring, so it is a ring compound, that is closed chain compounds. Closed chain compounds are more stable than the condensed formed or chain form. So if we see that this compound is totally ring structure, so that's why it is stable. So here are the 4 possible reasons that why benzene compound is stable. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you.